friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Arila. Today is October 29, 2025. Now we're currently on our way to Clark, Pampanga to have a birthday celebration of my mom's birthday. And ipapakita ko po muna sa inyo kung ano ang nangyari kaninang umaga sa pag-surprise namin.
It's already done. Look at the bouquet. Ta-da!
Pumasok ka dito na si Kuya. Dali na. Let's thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sa akin eh. Happy birthday to you. Pwede. Sa akin. Dahil ko palang pera. On the way to Clark, Pampanga. Essex to Clark. We have now arrived here in Clark, Pampanga Nation. Toll fare is 280 pesos.
Hello guys! Good morning! Happy birthday to me! Maging masaya.
Tatay, tayo ng expectation mo tayo ngayong araw na to.
Kakain siya ng lechong kawali.
Tsaka roast beef.
Yun na naman gusto tatay mo. Gusto niya yung ano ba? Crispy pata. Yun. Yun ang gusto ng tatay mo.
Papasok na kami. Ang first itinerary namin ay papunta kami sa Air Force City na may makikita kaming mga airplanes here sa Clark. So, samahan nyo kami, guys.
Hello, guys! Good morning! Tapo kami sa Clark.
Taas!
First time ko ngayon dito eh. Ito pala Clark.
Tay!
Expectation ko, makabunot dun sa yellow na bulaklak. Diba tayo?
Andito na po kami ngayon sa Air Force City. Nakikita niyo po ba yan? So, the Air Force City is located here in A. Bonifacio Avenue.
Guys, good morning! Dito kami ngayon sa Clark. Dito kami mananangalian dahil birthday ko.
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Thank you very much.
Ako dyan sa phone.
This is the Royce Hotel and Casino. Ayan guys, ito na yung Air Force City. Chapel, Our Lady of Remedios. Ay, Remedies? Guys, pag nasa Clark kayo, yung parang traffic rules dito, first stop, first go. Ang ganda oh. Hi guys, nandito na po tayo sa mga lumang helicopter na pwede nating maside. Guys, lalapitan natin yan after natin mag-park. Yung bawat isa na yan. We are now here in Air Force Park. So, yan guys. Air Force parking. Hi friends! So, today, nandito tayo sa Air Force Clark. First thing foremost, dito sa parking, may bayad siya na 30 pesos. And then, the playground. It's very child-friendly park aside from mga airplane, so pwede ding maglaro yung mga bata. So now guys, titignan natin yung mga airplane na naandito sa Air Force. The first legendary utility helicopter is the Bell UH-1H Iroquois or UA, na kung saan ginamit siya sa operation that is beyond just combat. It's also used in logistic, rescue, and mobility. Next is this high-performance naval-derived fighter which is the Vought F-8H Crusader, na kung saan isa siya sa may pinakamataas na performance sa panahon na iyon. So, ito siya guys. The Vought F-8 Crusader. To Air Force 52257. And then, meron din doon na Air Force 10507. Ang init, guys. It's really quite. Sobrang init dito, guys. Kaya tumatakbo kami pag nag-film. Kasi sobrang sakit sa balat, ate, kahit ang daming puno. Kahit,
Ala ko magsabi.
Pabunot.
Tay,
Pabunot sa bulaklak.
ano sabi mo tayo? Ne. Ano sabi mo tayo?
Pabunot daw sa bulaklak, sabi na happy birthday.
Jet?
Oo. Oo, ganun talaga kayo. Basta mga Ilonggo. Ganun ang salita. Jit. Maritis. Na ano.
Guys, look at my parents. Happy birthday, nanay. Let's go, guys. Done na kami dito sa Air Force Clark. And papunta na kami ngayon sa SM City Clark. On our way to SM Clark. Thank you, Lord, for the good weather. Ganda ng sky. We are now entering Clark City Front Mall. Ayun na, nakikita na po namin ang SM City. Let's go! SM City Clark. We're searching for parking, guys. Parang tayong nasa Encantadia, Avisala, Eshmo. Andito yung The Beanery. Meron din sila niyan sa Bataan.
Yung buffet yun eh.
Ah, talaga? Dito tayo kakain, guys, sa Buffet 101. So, eto po yung mapa. So, dito tayo. Pupunta tayo dito sa Skyline. Papunta kami ngayon sa Skyline, sa SM City Clark, while waiting sa opening ng Buffet 101. So, may parking dito, guys. If you park along the road, 120 pesos yung parking fee. Ang ganda na SM City Clark. Let's go. A pose. Strike a pose. These are their prices. So, sa Monday to Friday, 899. Ira po. We are now here at Buffet 101. Yay. We are table 48 and 47. They have katsu, tempura. They also have Japanese session. Like, look at this pretty wasabi. They also have Chinese section. This is Japanese seafood mushroom udon. This is Japanese halaan. Ito naman ay isang stir-fry vegetable. So, meron silang Japanese fried rice. They also have fresh option. So, may mga may salmon, tuna, ayan, other fishes. And then, may pizza. Meron din silang roast beef. Meron din silang mga lechon kawali, belly, sausage. First order of business. Roast beef.
Thank you.
Ako next. Thank you po. We also have creamy pasta, polo, garlic fried rice, beef. Ito beef. Pang konting rice. First plate. Meron din sila ditong Malaysian rice noodles, satay, and then Thai tom yum. Mga fried foods. Salt and pepper, salmon, fried chicken, pork intestine. Tara! Nag-enjoy ka ba kumuha ng food?
Of course, ang daming pagpipilian.
Guys, this is also free. Yung mga fruit din nila. At this is naman ay tamago, sashimi, mga pickled, and then seafood, salad, cocktail. Yeah. Guys, nag-enjoy yung nanay ko kumuha ng food. Cutie.
Broccoli, dumpling, estopado.
Let's eat! Broccoli. Yan ang kakainin mo, te? First plate. Roast beef.
Okay. Okay.
This is their dessert station. Halo-halo. May mga ice cream pa. You can get whatever you want. Okay, so I'm gonna get myself some ice cream. Look what I got. Some vanilla and chocolate. And I'm gonna add some marshmallows. Ta-da! Ta-da! Wow! Mango crepe with melon. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Nana! Yay!
Busog ako. May baon.
San Guillermo yun, di ba?
Cheers!
No?
The sunken. Next,
Diyos
busog!
natin,
Next, on our way to Bacolor, Pampanga. Pupunta po tayo sa The Sunken Shrine of Our Lady of Lourdes. Then to Mula de Victoria. Tada! Sobrang pretty ng sky. Look at the clouds. This is Bacolor, Municipality of Bacolor. 1 minute left to Sunken Shrine of Our Lady of Lourdes. We're now here at Archdiocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Lourdes. Going to our third itinerary. Thank you, Lord. Hi friends! So just an update, kagagaling lang po namin sa Archdiocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Lourdes, and now we are on our route to our third itinerary, which is Mula de Victoria, that is also located here in Bacolor, Pampanga. And we are just 16 minutes away. Charan! 16 minutes away. We're on our way. Parang madilim din, no? Parang kapal ng ulap. Mula de Leticia. Straight. Just go straight. Sunset. We are now chasing. Wow. And look.
Parang ako tulogin ko.
May target.
Ha?
Ito daw po, parang toll gate.
Parang wala namang community dito. Ba't may covered court?
May ano nga, church.
Ito baka ano ito?
Parang it's
Division?
building.
Ay, nga, no? Subdivision.
Ay, ginagawa sa division.
So this way. We are now 1 minute left to go. Ano daw? We
Mula sa
have now
Rancho.
arrived here at Mula de Victoria, Eden Farm Resort. Dito ba talaga
Hi
yun?
guys.
Tada! 100 pesos yung entrance po per adult. 100 pesos. Pwede na din. Tada! Welcome to Rancho Mula de Victoria. Wow. So, dito na tayo, guys. Ito yung entrance nila. Super ganda. Para siyang meron silang man-made forest. Man-made forest. Disneyland na may parade, may fireworks. Oh my God! Sobrang creepy!
Babad ka pa naman dyan.
Yeah.
Dahil libre po lahat dyan.
Meron ding ano, parang, ano po, 5 po. Thank you. 5. We now got the ticket for 100 pesos each. Let's go! We are now entering the premises of Mula de Victoria. This is their castle. Ang daming tao, guys. Sobrang daming mascot. May parade later. Meron siyang tall person, si Koromi, si Blossom. Guys, ang ganda niya. Swear. Ang daming mong makikita dito sa Mula de Victoria. You can also take pictures with all the mascots here. Sunset chasing. Oh my God, super pretty. Ang ganda ng mga flowers. It's bougainvillea. Wow, may mist effect pa. May mist and super lamig. It's a winter wonderland. Ang sarap. Guys, there's also a free viewing. And now we are watching Inside Out. Pupunta kami ngayon dun sa may Snow Village. Inside Out. Now we are entering the snow or the winterland. There's fog everywhere. Ang ganda. Yung winter wonderland, meron din inihaw wonderland. So, ang daming inihaw. Super dami nyo din pong pagpipilian dito. Tada, ang daming mga booths. Ang daming mga food. May mga inasal, chicken a la king, pork sisig, popcorn, fresh fruits. You can also grab and fizz. Sila ay nag-offer ng, ano yan, yogurt? I don't know. Pero may mga chicken katsu, pork katsu, mga puto bongbong, and the like. So yeah, you can freely to explore this, guys. We're going to buy loaded nachos here at Wrap and Roll. Shawarma. Overload nachos for 99 pesos. Tagal pumilo. May mist.
May swimming pool kami.
We're now going home. Going home. Tell me you're in Bataan without telling me you're in Bataan. It's traffic in the Layak. Burger and fries. Tada! We're going to have dinner via Jollibee drive-thru. Tururun, tururun. Drive-thru. Saan po dito?
Yan dapat ang...
Ayun no. Bucket. Chicken joy bucket. 8 pieces. 579. And then 5 mix and match Jollibee. Uusad na po tayo after ilang oras. Makaka-order din. A la carte po, 8 pieces chicken joy bucket. And then, mix and match po. Bali, A total of 969. Here comes our order. Yay! Thank you pa. Complete. For real. Got our goods.